Here is another example on how to convert whole number in base 5 to base 10. Let's convert this number 4201 base 5 to base 10. Solution. To do this, we number the digits starting from 0 from the back. That is 4201 base 5. We number the digits from the back starting from 0. That is, the first digits have a numbering of 0, then the next one 1, 2, 3, and if there are other numbers, we keep on numbering it 4, 5, 6, 7, and like that. But since we are having these as our last digit, so the numbering ends at 3 for this number. So this becomes equal to, now we simplify, 4 multiplied by the base 5 raised to the power of the numbering we have here 3 plus, you did the same thing for the next digit, which is 2. So we have 2 multiplied by the base 5 raised to the power of the numbering 2 plus the next digit 0 multiplied by the base 5 raised to the power of 1, the numbering we have there, plus the next digit 1 multiplied by the base 5 raised to the power of the numbering here 0. Then we'll solve. So here we have 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 3. 5 raised to the power of 3 equals 5 times 5 times 5. That is multiplying 5 by itself in 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So let's multiply. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Multiplied by 5, 125. That is 5 raised to the power 3 here gives us 125 plus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2. 5 multiplying itself 2 times, 5 times 5, 1, 2. So 5 times 5 here gives us 25. So we have 5 raised to the power of 2 as 25 plus 0 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1. That's just 5 plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 0, 1. And why? Because any number raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. Let's multiply. 4 multiplied by 125, that gives us 500 plus 2 multiplied by 25, that gives us 50 plus 0 multiplied by 5, 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1. We had 500 plus 50, that gives us 550 plus 0, still 550 plus 1, 551. So we have 551 base 10. And that's how to convert a whole number in base 5 to base 10. Thank you.